fix TikTok sound sync off in staged video. So to fix this issue, the first thing what you can do is open your TikTok app, then go to your profile in the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap the three-line menu at the top right, then select settings and privacy. Now scroll down to cache and cellular section, then tap free up space and then tap clear next to the cache. Now to confirm, tap clear one more time. Now the next thing what you can do is disconnect the Bluetooth. Just scroll down the control center from the top of your screen and toggle the Bluetooth off, because wireless headphones or speakers like AirPods often introduce a split-second audio delay that makes taste, lips and sound mismatch. Now the next thing what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the TikTok app, and if you see an update button available right here, instead of open, tap an update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is save or download your staged video draft to your phone storage, or import the video into a free mobile editor like CapCut. We can also use the extract audio tool to separate the audio track from the video layer. Slide the audio track slightly left or right until the waveforms match the visual cues or lip movements, then export the fixed video back to TikTok. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.